All right, man, let's get to it. Okay, here's the new battery that I'm about to install. It's the Mopar battery. We did the GR8 test on the old battery. It failed the load test, which required us to replace it. And here's the old battery. So here's what we're doing. You got the positive cable, the negative cable, negative terminal, positive terminal, and it's held on by a 10mm hold down bolt. All right. So let's get this thing replaced. So here's the tools we're gonna use. Only the tools that you need: a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Okay. So what we want to do first is remove the negative terminal. Simply, easily, just turn that off like that. All right, now let's get this off completely. Sometimes you can pull it off by hand. Sometimes you may need a pair of pliers, but let's get the negative terminal removed first. Now let's go to the positive terminal. Simply put your 10mm socket on here. Just turn counterclockwise. Sometimes you can remove them with your hands. Sometimes you can't. You really should be wearing safety protection gloves. Okay. Try not to use these. These are auxiliary ports. Sometimes they'll have an extra port for auxiliary inputs. Okay. So I have the battery terminals off. You see how easy that was? Had you use an impact on this, especially installing it, all you would be doing is hammering on this mechanism right here, and it's just going to close and eat up at this complete battery terminal post, and you can really ruin connection by doing that. Okay, so let's get the hold down bolt off. Okay, I end up having to remove the complete battery hold down bracket because it's hard to remove the battery with it on. Let's set that to the side. Now just simply pay attention to your terminal's location. Just simply lift up on the battery, bring it out, and set it down. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. The proper way to remove the battery. No electric drill to be used on these. You see, like this one right here. Okay, you look at this real good. You cannot replace this. You see how this is built onto the actual harness itself. Now this one, I seem to argue with the parts guy. I seem to think you can replace this one because I have two harness wire cables going to it, and it looks like you can simply remove these two 10mm bolts and your terminal will free up. But again, the parts department say there's no listing for a positive battery terminal. All right, the moral of the story here is be careful dealing with the terminals, all right, because you do not want to damage them. All right, man, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. I got this new battery in. Y'all take it easy on these battery terminals because the battery harness is a little expensive. You don't want to need a complete battery harness. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.